The location inquiry is used to display the stock of each item that is in that particular location. It's reached by selecting the inventory icon, the inquiry icon, then clicking on location inquiry. If I scan in my warehouse and my location and click on location details, then this shows me the available stock of each item in that particular location. I can see this item I have 5,719 on hand, 225 allocated, leaving a free stock of 5,494. If I click on the first one and select item details, then it will show me any handling units that relate to that particular item in that location. If I select an item that is lot controlled and ask for item details, then it will show me the lots that are available in that particular location. If I then drill down from the lot details, then I'll see any handling units that relate to that particular lot. If the item is serial controlled and I select the item details, then it shows me the serial numbers that are available in that location. If I want to do an inquiry in a non-location controlled warehouse, then I just put in the warehouse and this will show me all the inventory that is in that warehouse.